Okay, to do let's do like a desk or a small table. We're going to start kind of the same way that we have with our podiums, but I'm going to move it up a little bit and draw it kind of back here on this back wall. So I'll do a little desk over here. I'm going to start with a horizontal line and another horizontal line, my two vertical lines. And then for my tabletop, or the top of my desk, I'm going to draw back, back, across, okay, so there's the start. Then you're going to add your table legs. You have to make sure that they go across this line, otherwise they won't actually be sitting on the floor. Okay, and then we can come here and do the front legs to our table. Your front legs are going to come down a little further than the back legs because they're closer to the viewer. They're closer to the bottom of your page. Okay, so that's how you can do a table or a desk. If you wanted to do a chair, you start out, it's basically the same idea that we have here. You're just going to draw a back to the chair. Okay, so instead of having this rectangle up here so far, if you wanted to do a chair, you would have to put it down here on the floor. Otherwise, you're going to have like a really, really big chair. Okay, but you start the chair the exact same way that you would a desk. If you wanted to do a little side room, let's say I want to add a doorway or a room over here, I'm going to start by getting the width of my door in. Then the top of my door has to go to my vanishing point. Okay, I'm going to see the inside of this doorway here, so I'm going to bring this line down to show that there's width. And then to make it look like this is a room back here, I'm going to add a vertical line like that, and then I would erase this. And then that's how you can add a room going off to the side. And right now it looks like I have a huge giant chair and a little tiny door, but that's okay. That's okay. Anything else? Addie? Yeah, let's put an elevator over here to the side. Okay, so I'm going to start out the same way that I did with my doorway. I'm going to bring the top of my elevator to my vanishing point. This can be the inside of my elevator. To add the width, I need to put my elevator doors. We can write our numbers over here. Let's say this is the first floor. Then we can put our buttons over here. And actually, since we have our glass case, we could even kind of draw through the glass case. We can do our buttons for up or down. Like that. Junior?